Move products faster with the Tomahawk stock picker, built for picking, packing, and shipping in busy warehouses and retail stores. Whether you're restocking shelves or loading packages for shipment, the Tomahawk stock picker helps you get the job done with less strain and more control. Start by carefully unboxing the cart and removing all packaging materials. Lay out all components and inspect them before beginning assembly. Begin with the main upright handle. Line up the bottom of the handle with the center mounting plate on the deck. Insert 3 bolts, each with a washer, and tighten them securely using a wrench. Next, flip the cart over and install the motor and battery box. Line up the battery box with the mounting holes on the underside of the frame near the drive wheels. Use 4 screws and a screwdriver to fasten it in place. Then connect the motor and battery cables to the base of the box. Now assemble the mesh cage. Connect the 2 side panels to the front panel to form a U-shape. At each top and bottom corner, insert bolts and tighten them with washers and nuts using your 13mm wrench. Carefully lift the assembled cage and place it on the cart's platform. Align the posts with the mounting points on each corner. Secure the cage using the 4 fasteners to lock it in place. Next, install the 4 hinges evenly on the front and rear cage panels, and then install the crossbars between the 2 side panels of the cage. Align the holes, insert the bolts, and tighten them with washers and nuts. Insert the middle shelf by lowering it into the cage and resting it on the internal support ledges. Make sure the shelf is seated flat and stable. Now attach the folding side rails. Position the 4 side rails, 2 per side, plus the front and rear rails around the platform. Align them with the mounting holes and fasten in place with the 12 bolts. Once everything is tight and secure, drop in a fully charged battery and flip the power switch to on. To operate the stock picker, start by pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, then on to unlock the cart. Shift the clutch to the right to engage motor drive, or to the left if you want to push the unit manually. Use the direction switch to move forward or in reverse, and keep an eye on the voltage and battery level using the built-in display. To stop, engage the handbrake by pulling it to the right. Release it by moving it back to the left. Your Tomahawk stock picker is all set and ready to work alongside you. Whether you're pulling orders, restocking shelves, or loading up for deliveries, this cart is built to make your day easier. For more setup tips, product guides, and support, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with Tomahawk.